Hey guys, it's Eric here, and this is a speed test between the TECNO Camon 12 and the Camon 15 Premier. I would have done a full comparison, but the final camera software of the Camon 15 Premier's retail version has not been pushed to my review unit yet. I will definitely be comparing the cameras soon. Let's take a look at all the relevant specs for this test and start with the boot up test. The Camon 12 booted up in 24 seconds, with the 15 Premier coming in 4 seconds later. First things first, let's compare the speed of the fingerprint sensors. I've added a couple of apps and some games to the mix. I closed all the running apps before this test. Let's begin with Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Play Store, YouTube, Geekbench. We get higher single and multi-core scores on the Camon 15 Premier. AnTuTu benchmarks. We get higher AnTuTu scores on the Camon 15 Premier. Weather, calendar. Skipping the games row for now, Snapseed, camera, messages, settings, clock, WhatsApp, photos, Lightroom. Speed test. I tested both on the same network and we get higher download and upload speeds on the Camon 12. Now let's open up some games. Let's begin with Smash Hit. PUBG, Subway Surf, Temple Run 2, Call of Duty, PES 2020, The speed difference between them isn't significant, and it's not surprising considering how closely linked the processors are. The biggest consideration for one over the other definitely rests more on camera and price. The Camon 15 Premier costs 40,000 naira or $100 more than the Camon 12, and the camera improvements in the final software update will have to justify this price difference. By the way, the Camon 15 Premier's gaming review is up, so if you care to see the gameplay, I'll be leaving a link up above and down in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it. Also follow me on Twitter and Instagram to see what I'm up to. Please subscribe for more videos like this, as it will mean a lot to me, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.